Heavy winds exacerbated Tuesday's storm damage from Tropical Storm Isaias. 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Kelly Reardon explains how the direction of wind factors into how much damage there will be.
Well, we are covering extensive tree damage across western Massachusetts from Tropical Storm Isaias on Tuesday. Obviously, that led to thousands of power outages here in western Massachusetts. I'm going to explain why we saw such extensive damage. Now, remember, it's not just the wind speed, but the wind direction as well. First, let's start with wind gusts. Westfield saw wind gusts up to 62 miles an hour, Mount Tom 54, Chicopee 53 miles an hour, even Springfield 45, and Orange 52 mile per hour wind gusts. Obviously, the stronger the wind, the more potential for damage. However, it's not just the speed, the direction as well. So Tropical Storm Isaias winds with that move in a clockwise direction. And as Isaias tracked up the east coast, it actually passed us here in western Massachusetts right to the west. So when you get clockwise winds passing to the west of us, that actually brings in a southerly wind. Now, most storm systems move from the west to the east, so most trees are most resilient against a westerly wind. So when we get southerly winds, that can actually lead to even more damage than you would see from just a west to east strong wind. I'm 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Kelly Reardon.